Good morning, students. Now I want to explain about the rules for nomenclature. What are the rules for nomenclature? First rule is, first we have to select the longest carbon-carbon chain. Need not be straight chain. If it is how to longest chain, whatever the branches are, if you have to identify the longest carbon chain, select the first longest carbon chain. Here in this case 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 here, but here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, this is the longest carbon chain in this organic compound. First you have to choose the longest carbon chain. That is the first point, rule for how to determine. Next, if two or more longest carbon-carbon chain are this, select the one with maximum number of branches. If it is here 1 2 3 4 carbon, here in this case also 1 2 3 4 carbon, 1 2 3 4 5, here all are same, but you have to choose the, in case of same longest carbon chain, all branches also, then we have to identify the maximum number of branches. Here if you choose like this, you have to get only 2 branches. If you choose like this, what will happen? Here 1 branch, and also this is also 1 branch. 1 2 3 4 5. If you choose the more number of branches, if you choose like this, you get the 2 branches, 1 2. If you choose like this, we get the here 1 2 3 4 and 5. The maximum number of branches, if you get, that is the 1. Next you have to choose the third rule is the number from that side, so that branch gets the lowest locant rule. This is the lowest locant rule. If you 1 2 3 4 5 6, here in this case, this branch get the lowest number, then from that side have to choose the numbering. That is the third rule, must remember. Next, lowest sum rule. If 2 or more branches are there, then we have to sum all the atoms, then we get the lowest one, sum rule. That is that you have to start the numbering. This is the fourth point. Fifth one is the, if first point of difference, dominating rule. This is the first point of difference.